Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon and I have a fun little unboxing for you today. I have been waiting on this particular item from Goodnight Macaroon for, I don't know, 6 weeks or something like that. So just so you know, if you do order a Louis Vuitton dupe, which is what this is, from the Goodnight Macaroon website, and right now with me shooting this video at the start of June 2022, they have actually pulled the Louis Vuitton inspired bags from their website. I've heard you can special order them and hopefully they will reappear on the website soon. But as of June 2022, they're not there at the start of the month. Hopefully over time they will be there. I managed to get this particular bag while they were still available. And actually my boo got this for me for my birthday. He also got for me their Louis Vuitton bum bag inspired dupe, and I'll post a picture of that here so you can take a look at it. I did an unboxing of that on my channel and had to wait well past April to get this particular item and bag, and I'm so excited that it got here. I have been obsessively checking the travel updates of this bag. When is it in transit? Is it still at the factory? And it just seemed like it was not moving for weeks, and then suddenly boom, it was here. So I'm excited to show this to you and to unbox it, and also a bit nervous, but without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. On the back here, for some eye candy, you can see my Never Full GM. This is authentic Louis Vuitton, and she's a beauty. I carried her to work today, and oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Yes, it is here. Ta-da! This is the bag, and I'm gonna put that FedEx packaging aside. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I am super excited to open this. And spoiler alert, if you've been watching my channel, I already own this bag from Goodnight Macaroon in a different print. And I love the bag so much, I wanted to also get it in this particular print. Oh my goodness, okay, I'm peeking inside and my heart is racing right now because I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's put this aside. Now the dust bag, ooh, there you can see the checker print right through this. And I was gonna say the dust bag here, it's not the most luxurious, shall we say, of dust bags, but it's practical. It does what it needs to do. And I kind of like this yellow color. I think that's kind of cool. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I think I'm really gonna like this. Wow. Ta-da! It is the Jace bag in the Damier Azur inspired print. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I am in shock at how stinking gorgeous this is. So on their website, when these have been available for order, you can choose to get the faux leather version that is like white, like pretty much with no patina, or you can get the faux leather version that's a little darker and looks more like it's patinaed, and I went for the darker one because I like the patina look. But because it's faux leather, I'm assuming that it's going to stay this color. And this is really, really beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can totally see myself using this bag all summer long. This is just phenomenally made. So I had to wait 6 weeks on it, but I'm telling you right now, first impressions, totally worth the wait. There you go. You can take a look at the sides there, the piping there. Look at that stitching. That stitching is immaculate. It is so beautiful. And then here you go, a close-up of the zip. Looks awesome. The gold zipper. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. I want to take the plastic off the handles, but maybe we'll do that after we open the bag. Ta-da! Oh my God! Oh my God, the interior is so cool. Okay, wait, let me take out their faux leather strap. That's nice. It's got like red on the sides. I'll put that aside. But inside here, they've got this like Neverfull-esque interior that's beige with stripes on it. And there's a slip pocket on one side where you could probably put your phone or a key clay, and a little zipper pocket on the other side. And I have the Jace bag in the Damier Ebene inspired print. So I do know that the inside of these particular bags comes with this striped interior, but I wasn't 100% sure since I haven't owned the white Jace bag what it would be like and what it would look like. But I just have to say, this is really great quality, and it's, you know, akin to the Speedy B 25 size. But what a great little summer bag. I mean, I could totally carry this with me during the warmer months and rock this, and it fits a lot because the Speedy B 25, if you're familiar with it, can pack a punch, really. Okay, I'm gonna take the plastic here off of the handles. Oh, wow, this really feels amazing. It really, oh my God, that feels so, it's like freshly made. And there's the red lining there. I think that's so, wow, this really just feels, I mean, it's new, but because I had to wait, I'm assuming that these were just made and that, you know, they had a bunch on order and they couldn't send it till it was made. But these handles, oh my God, they are gorgeous. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I totally love this. I cannot get over it. I'm gonna take the strap off. I mean, the plastic off, the strap. This strap is really well made. This is mind-blowing, and at a fraction of the cost. This bag was $89 on the website, 30% off. So I'm not sure what the exact math is around there, but we're talking like 60 bucks or so for this bag, which is an awesome Louis Vuitton Speedy dupe and saves you so much money. And I do not own the Speedy bag in this particular print at all. I have in the Damier Azur authentic print, I have the Neverfull GM, and I also have the Neverfull MM, and I have a Pochette Accessoire, which is a beautiful bag, and that's in the authentic. Actually, it's right here, so we can maybe compare it a little bit to this faux Azur, right? So you can see this is more muted, and this is also a pre-loved bag that I got last year, but it's not as bright gray or white. And this definitely like is whiter, right? This almost has a slight, I don't know if it's like a yellowish, but like a creamish tint compared to this particular bag. So just to compare the authentic right away. So this bag I totally love. I'd like to do an updated review on this. But what I love about a dupe, and I've been, you know, singing the praises of dupes lately in my videos, but what I love about them is you get to experience a look-alike at a fraction of the cost. You get to check out a bag that if you really, really wanted in the authentic, you could, but from this place of having experimented with it at a lower price point. And you also get to own multiples of a particular bag at a fraction of the price, because I own the Speedy B 25 in the monogram print, and now in this faux Azur print, I have the same bag in a different color scheme and a different pattern. And also owning the Jace bag in the Ebene, I have another option, but I've only spent a fraction of what I would have spent had I bought these bags for whatever they're retailing right now at the Louis Vuitton website, like $2,000. So there is a lot of wisdom in buying a dupe. And, you know, again, no logo, it's not a replica. It's not claiming to be Louis Vuitton, but, you know, anyone who knows Louis Vuitton would know that this was inspired by the bag. And maybe if you were walking around a store with this, someone might mistake it for Louis Vuitton, but if they looked closely or they know Louis Vuitton well, they'd be able to see that this isn't the authentic bag. At the same time, it's a really well-made bag. So I am super, super excited to use this bag, and I can tell you right away that this bag is going to get a lot of use. Now I'm looking inside, I'm just wondering if I see a lock and key, and I actually don't see a lock and key in here. I don't know if I'm like missing it, but my other Jace dupe did actually come with a lock and key. So I don't know why that's missing. I don't feel like I necessarily need it because I do own some authentic Louis Vuitton locks and keys, and I can use those with the bag, and sometimes I throw the authentic on the dupe. But I just really, really love this. Oh my God. Okay, so let's bring this Neverfull here just to compare the size. I can't even get this Neverfull in the frame here, but also again, the pattern of this, it's very different. And I'm gonna put this back here and maybe throw in a few things into this Jace bag. So here are my sunglasses. Look at that adorable case. I just love these so much. They're new. So I'm gonna throw my sunglasses in there. And then some hand sanitizer and a scrunchie, my clay where I keep cough drops. I love this in the monogram print. My favorite item. I bought this from the Louis Vuitton website, and it was my first authentic piece from the website. So very exciting for me. And then maybe my wallet. This is from My Wallet. Love this card case. And it's cute with this, right? I think it matches it kind of nicely. And I might want to put my Kleenex in there. And then here is a little makeup pouch. This is from Coach. And I keep a few makeup supplies and some Tylenol in there. Throw that in there. And then finally, my round coin purse where I keep my earbuds. So I'm just gonna throw all of that in there. I didn't do it in a really pretty way. I think because I'm so excited, I'm just kind of throwing things in. But you can see all of that fit in there really nicely. I could throw my cell on top of that. I could throw my key clay or my 6-ring key holder on top of that, and it would fit. And I just know because I've been using the Damier Eben inspired Jace bag. Anyway, I totally love this. I will do a more detailed review of this as I get to know this bag over the coming weeks. And I'd also love to do a comparison between this bag and my authentic monogram bag, as well as the Damier Eben inspired Jace bag. But this one I was nervous about because, again, I hadn't ordered anything in this particular print from Goodnight Macaroon or anything in this particular print that's a dupe. Though actually now I'm remembering I did order a key clay dupe from Etsy that's in the Damier Azur print, and I do like that, but I hadn't ordered anything that was this big in this print. So I'm so glad that this has gone well, and I'm super, super excited to get started with using this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you follow me. And in the comments, let me know, what do you make of the Jace bag in the Damier Azur inspired print? Would you want to own this? I love to hear your thoughts, and I do my best to respond to every comment. Thanks, and have an awesome week.